Are you curious about using sound foam? Are the acoustics in your room terrible? So here, while I install this, I want to talk to you about what this does for your room. So basically, these are commercial grade panels which have a stick-on layer on the back. All you do is you stick it on the surface you want. I'm here doing just like a demonstration. I did the entire row across the top of these windows here to try to deaden some of that echo sound in the room. I have two things to say. Number one, it was noticeably different after I put these on. And more importantly, and a really tough test, when Nikki came in and saw the studio here, she was like, those are so cool looking, which really almost never happens. So I think that was a really good thing. I did have them up on my wall for about 2 weeks before recording this video, and I did do one additional test, which was I went over to see what would happen if I tried to peel one off, and they seem to have nailed that right balance with the adhesive. For me, they were still all firmly attached to the wall. They were easy to install, but when I tried to pull one off, it did come off, and it didn't even leave like a crazy sticky residue. So I don't think most of us are planning on ever taking them off, but I have from time to time. I test these things out. You see me change these things out all the time. So I thought I would share with you what my experience was here after 2 weeks when I pulled it off. It did not leave a terrible residue. So if you're looking to be creative, make some kind of cool look and really improve the acoustics in your room, I would say these are definitely a good pick for you. They certainly work for me, and they were visually attractive even to my very picky wife. I hope that was helpful. See you next time.